Starting around the 1st of May 2023, Chiliz really is exchanging at 13 cents in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 1.08% in sort of most recent 60-minute, which generally is genuinely huge. CHZ really has a sort of all-out market cap of $879,236,069 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $54,303,852 in an every practical sense, enormous way. This especially makes Chiliz exceptionally positioning at 58 in the cryptographic money market in a genuinely enormous manner. In the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chiliz in every practical sense be certainly worth in 2023 in a genuinely large manner? Is Chiliz an essentially wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023 in a very significant manner? Will CHZ cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in a genuinely significant manner? These are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Chiliz value expectation 2023 as per the Chiliz estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the CHZ cost truly is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of 17 cents. A normal fundamentally least value worth of Chiliz toward the finish of the for the most part current year ought to be 16 cents, or so they truly thought. Besides, CHZ can in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of greatest value level of 19 cents, which by and large is genuinely critical. CHZ value conjecture April 2023. In April 2023, the cost of Chiliz by and large is determined to for the most part be at around an especially least worth of 12 cents in a genuinely enormous manner. The Chiliz value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a very limit of 14 cents with the very normal exchanging worth of 13 cents in USD in a truly significant way. CHZ value gauge May 2023. Concerning May 2023, Chiliz for the most part is supposed to arrive at an in every way that really matters least value worth of 13 cents, which by and large is genuinely huge. The CHZ cost could really arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of 14 cents with the extremely normal cost around 14 cents, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Chiliz value gauge June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Chiliz most certainly is supposed to truly be at around a by and large least of 13 cents, or so they most certainly thought. Chiliz cost can by and large arrive at a limit of 15 cents with the extremely normal cost of 14 cents in USD. So in the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Chiliz cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Chiliz most certainly be worth in 2023, or so they really thought. Chiliz value estimate July 2023. The especially normal cost of Chiliz could generally go to 14 cents toward the finish of July 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ could generally be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of 16 cents with the genuinely least expected cost of 14 cents. So CHZ value figure May 2023. Concerning May 2023, Chiliz is supposed to arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of 13 cents as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz value expectation August 2023. The cost of Chiliz explicitly is by and large anticipated to reach at a sort of least worth of 14 cents in August 2023, or so they thought. The CHZ cost could fundamentally arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of 16 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 15 cents all through 2023, which is very huge. Chiliz value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the especially most extreme cost for Chiliz could basically stretch around 17 cents in a really significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of CHZ in September 2023 really is 15 cents with a by and large normal cost of 15 cents. Showing how CHZ value gauge April 2023. In April 2023, the cost of Chiliz generally is determined to sort of be at around a base worth of 12 cents in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Chiliz for the most part is supposed to especially be at around at least 15 cents, showing the way that Chiliz cost can truly arrive at a limit of 15 cents with the truly normal cost of 14 cents in USD. So in the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chiliz truly be by and large worth in 2023, which certainly is very huge. Chiliz cost can generally arrive at a truly limit of 18 cents with the essentially normal cost of 16 cents in USD, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. CHZ value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Chiliz basically is estimated to for the most part be at around an essentially least worth of 16 cents, showing how Chiliz value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Chiliz truly is supposed to sort of be at around an exceptionally least of 15 cents, showing the way that Chiliz cost can in every practical sense arrive at a sort of limit of 15 cents with the fundamentally normal cost of 14 cents in USD. So assuming you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chiliz in a real sense be genuinely worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The Chiliz value worth can generally arrive at a truly limit of 18 cents with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 16 cents in USD in a kind of huge way. Chiliz value expectation December 2023. The cost of Chiliz sort of is in a real sense anticipated to basically reach at a genuinely least worth of 16 cents in December. Chiliz fundamentally passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been in a real sense diminished by 0.48% and it's in every way that really matters. Current worth, which explicitly is very huge. Assuming we generally think about the kind of current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap basically is additionally down, which in every practical sense is very huge. From kind of most recent 7 days, the CHZ truly was an especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.11%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz in a real sense has shown areas of strength for extremely all goals and purposes potential recently, and this could be all things considered great chance to dive right in and generally put resources into an unobtrusive way in a real sense. In any case, after the contrasting the truly current cost and truly beyond 30 days cost history, it truly is seen that Chiliz certainly has expanded 3.099% in its worth. Pretty further appearance how on the off chance that we explicitly look at the kind of current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday, you can basically see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. The typical truly least cost for the month by and large is 12 cents, while truly most extreme certainly normal cost fundamentally was 12 cents, which essentially is genuinely critical. This suggests that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to by and larger arrangement of coins for in every practical sense, long haul, demonstrating the way that the Chiliz value worth can for the most part arrive at a genuinely limit of 14 cents with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 13 cents in USD in a by and large significant way. The 90 days cost change generally is around 4.84%, and the cost especially flowed from a very least really normal cost of 11 cents to greatest kind of normal cost of 13 cents in the beyond 90 days, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In kind of most recent 4 months, Chiliz generally has shown a developing pattern in an extremely significant manner. In this manner, we imagine that comparable pieces of the market basically were very famous at that period, which generally is genuinely huge, as indicated by the sort of the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Chiliz generally is expanded from 4 months, or so they truly thought. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost, exhibiting how in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the